Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Design Mention. So today we are going to discuss one more powerful tricks which will be used in the different commands. So let's begins. So here this is my one pad, and after that I have drawn this sketch for I just wanted to pocket with this sketch. So I just use this pocket command, and here you can see this is my pocket dialog box. You can see I can input manually just depth 150 and select the profile. Here you can see the pocket length is 150. Here limit I can change here, or I can input manually. But one more way is to input by using the measure command. So I just right click on that dialog box, and here you can see measure between. I just select measure between. So I just wanted to pocket on this pad by using this sketch. So I just wanted to pocket this XZ plane from here, okay, to this face. So here you can see by using this measure between, so this is the 250 dimension, 250 dimensions. I just wanted to pocket, okay. So here I just click OK, and this dimension is locked. Preview, okay. You can see here my pocket is executed, pocket is done, okay. So this is how this command is used. And I just mention one more thing here. Basically problem is, so I just wanted to change. For example, I just wanted to apply one more reference, okay. This is reverse direction 100 mm, okay. So here is one of my reference, and I just wanted to remove this dimension. So here you can also change your reference also, okay. So here to here, simply click OK. You can change also. And I'm just telling, the problem is I just wanted to remove this by using this dimension measure between to I just wanted to simply input my manually, okay. So just go there. Sorry, just right click and remove the link with measured. You can just remove the link and you can input manually, okay. So basically problem is you cannot find after applying the measure between. Once you applied, you just forgot how to remove this link, or you just find out here. So just click simply here, remove the link, okay, and you can input manually or by using this command, okay. This is how you can use this pocket command by using the measure between, okay. You can use pad. Here you can also use measure between. Here also you can use the measure between. So you can use this measure between command in different all kinds of the features. So this is how you can use this measure between command. This command is mostly used in assembly when you are doing the very complex assembly. where it is not possible to measure each and every dimension. So just you just go this manually measure this dimension and pocket and pad by applying the manually from here. So instead of this, you can just use directly command draw a sketch by using the command, and here you just measure and use the features. That's all guys. Thanks.